watch.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes,
Yes.
Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and on point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 403, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 403 has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.
Yes, they issued a watch.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO.
That one didn't go off though.